The solar system. The solar system is a group of space objects that are held together by gravity, with the Sun in the center. In this episode, we're going to learn about the Sun and its round objects that orbit around it. The Sun. The Sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It is a bright star that gives off different types of energy such as infrared energy, heat, ultraviolet light, radio waves, and light. The round objects that orbit the Sun are called planets. Now let's talk about all of the planets that orbit around the Sun. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the fastest planet orbiting the Sun. The average orbital speed is 47.87 kilometers per second. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is also the hottest planet in the solar system. The surface temperature is at a blistering 464 degrees Celsius. Venus is the brightest thing in the night sky except for the Moon. It is sometimes called the morning star or the evening star, as at some elongations it is easily seen just before the Sun comes up in the morning. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is a home planet that we live on. Most of Earth's water is in the oceans, which cover about 70% of the planet's surface. The rest, about 30%, is land. Earth has its own object that orbits around it. It's called the Moon. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is also known as the Red Planet. Mars is a terrestrial planet with caps of water and carbon dioxide. It is the largest volcano in the solar system, and some very large impact craters. Mars has two moons, Doremus and Phobos. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It is also a gas giant because it is large and made mostly of gas. Gas giants are a subtype of giant planets. One of the biggest features in Jupiter's atmosphere is the Great Red Spot. It is a huge storm that is bigger than the entire Earth. Jupiter has more than 67 known moons, such as Europa, Io, Ganymede, Callisto, and many more. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is known to have rings. The rings are formed due to the celestial Bidus limit billions of years ago. They are made of ice, rock, and dust. Saturn is also a gas giant, because it is made of gas. It is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with a composition of about 75% hydrogen and 25% helium. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is an ice giant. Uranus is made of ice, gases, and liquid metal. Its atmosphere has hydrogen, helium, and methane. The temperature on Uranus is minus 197 degrees Celsius. Uranus has more than 27 moons, such as Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. It is the farthest known planet orbiting the Sun. Its distance from the Sun is about 4.5 billion kilometers. Neptune's mass is 17 times Earth's mass and a little bit more than Uranus' mass. Neptune is denser and smaller than Uranus. Because of its greater mass, Neptune's gravity makes its atmosphere smaller and denser. Neptune's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium. It also contains small amounts of methane, which makes the planet appear in a blue color. Pluto.
Pluto is not a planet anymore. It is now a dwarf planet. If you think Pluto is a planet, you will be sent to hell.
Thanks for joining us today. It was fun to learn about the solar system. We'll see you next time.